Hey, like, girl, you want to plug into my squid? Yes. It could be about the USB for charging.
Already. Go on. Woo. Boing. There you go. I'll wait for you and then I'll go up. Bang good. Bang, bang, bang good. Alright, let's see what this does. I do. I took off late because it turned. It turned on me. It's alright, I caught it. It's not like me. I had to because it was doing something weird.
That reminds me of when I'm trying to get off of a freeway.
Yeah.
You know that feeling when you're not quite sure whether or not you want to get off of the freeway?
Yep.
So you almost run into the thing that's in between.
No, that's not good. Where are you, Frank? Alright, I'm trimmed. I see the kite though, it's way out there. Don't.
Woo! Time remaining 2 minutes.
Here, let me follow you, it's easier that way. You can go a little faster.
Are these free wing?
Mine is, his is Durafly.
Oh, Durafly?
Yeah. Oh, I saw your shadow.
I like how the only way you can tell the direction it's going is by the tail.
That helps. Yeah, I had to take off late, Frank, because it turned towards the grass. Oh, sheesh, that's a bad pack. You never drop below like 21.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Alright, I'm blasting. Gotta get a good blast in here. Woo! That was close, Frank.
I wonder how low you could bring it.
Whoa, you've got more vertical than I do.
Woo! Nice.
I'd like to
Stole
plug.
it. That was a nasty stall.
I'd like to plug that jet into my squid.
Yours sounds cooler than mine.
I think it's the double exhaust.
I agree.
7, 6,
Because the yak has the
5,
same sound.
Same. Yeah, you're right.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right, I'm doing one more blast.
Frankie's jet is so hard.
Woo! I like that.
I need to FPV this thing.
All right, I'm coming around, and then I'm gonna do a gear pass and set up to land.
Gear down.
All right, pattern to land right now.
Landing flaps.
Whoa, weird wind right there.
Oh wow.
All good. I exercised the demon. Nah. Oh, ow.
Yes, good.
I ripped the gear out on the last flight, so I had to go up and reclaim my landing perfection.
Yeah, it was. The wind was doing some stuff. Like I noticed you sink. Someone, because Gary was saying that I came in hot. I'm like,
Yeah,
no man.
you have to.
I had a sink. I felt the sink there. I was like, no
Yeah,
way.
you have to.
I was like, oh, I thought that was it. I'm like, yeah.
Flaps up.
We've seen how this plane lands,
Yeah.
and it's just one little mistake, and then
Yep. You got to go fast so you can
gotta
fly
come
through
in
it.
hot and then just touch lightly and let the ground do it.
Yeah.
That jet looks pretty.
So after that last flight and ripping out the gear and all that other stuff, as I said, I have exorcised the demon. Back to normal.